So today we're going to learn how to change and control your settings inside of Instagram. So the first thing you want to do is sign back into your Instagram account. And remember, you're going to click on your little tiny profile picture in the bottom right-hand corner, and that will bring you to your profile. So what you're going to do from here is click on these three little lines at the very top right, and then click on Settings. And here you're going to find a whole bunch of different things that you can do. So first of all, I want you to click on Follow and Invite Friends. So here you can invite friends by text, follow contacts. Why this one is important is because here you can actually follow all of your contacts, and a lot of times when you follow someone, they'll follow you back. That would be the purpose of that. Now we're going to go back and look at notifications. So on notifications, I can flip this switch to say pause all for a certain amount of time. And then if you click the next button, you can see that because we created a business page, it says so everybody can like your page. So I changed this to everyone on everything on here because it's a public page. And again, it works the same way. If you guys have trouble with any individual, you can, let me see if I can just find an account here, random. There's nothing wrong with these accounts. I'm just showing you how it works. So if you have trouble with someone, you navigate to their account like I just did, click on the three little dots and hit that block button right there. You can also report a person. Why are you reporting this account? For spam or for being inappropriate? And then you just follow the prompts. Again, I'm not going to do it because there's nothing wrong with this account, but just to show you how that works if you do have any trouble. Down the list is business. And you can do all kinds of different things in here that most of it you don't need right now, but minimum age, if you sell something that is, for instance, alcohol, that's the most common one here. You know, there are different drinking ages in different countries. So obviously you can add an age requirement if you need to. Now, we've already connected to our Facebook account, to our Facebook page. So that's really important. That's something that's important as well. Quick replies is you can set up something that does an instant notification to someone who sends you a message. Again, probably not necessary. Unfortunately, a lot of the messages are spammy stuff. You'll get a few that are important in there and more as you go along. Branded content is, where you can improve tagging between accounts. Let's not even worry about that one. So now we're going to go down to privacy. This is a really important one. You can set all your privacy settings in here, interactions and connections. So you really want this on public. Now, if you block an account, it will show up in this list and you can unblock them. Muting an account, what that does is if somebody's content is bugging you, but you know somebody and you don't want to unfollow them and hurt their feelings, you can mute them and you can just mute them for a certain amount of time. So you can also set up close friends, and you can look at accounts you follow. So those are the things that I think you should look at in here. Now, security is also a really important one. Here is your password, login activity, saved info. You can set up two-factor authentication, again, just like we did on Facebook. And in order to do that, you just click the Get Started. You click, I'd rather have it done by text message. And you type the phone number in and you hit next. It will text that phone number a code. You type in the code and there you go. It is working. And then when you're done, you hit next again. So that's my favorite way to do two-factor. Now you can look down here and access your data. And what that means is that you can look at things like anytime you've changed your privacy, when you joined, your password changes, old phone numbers, former usernames, just all kinds of stuff if you end up needing it. You can also clear your history. So I searched for Jill W. Fox, and if I don't want a whole list of history there, I just hit clear all, click clear all, and it's done. So there's quite a bit of great information within these things, and it gives you a lot of opportunity. That next one's an ad setting. We're not going to go there right now. So the next one is your account. And if you click on it, you can see at the top, there's your personal information, saved, close friends, languages. There's just all kinds of linked accounts. In here, if you link your accounts, they'll all show. You can link Facebook, Twitter, Tumblr, and a few others. Anyway, there's just a whole lot of stuff inside of this section, which is, you can take a look at. I don't know that you're going to need much of it. There's a help section and there's an about section. So about is more about Instagram. Now, your login information is down here. You can add an account or log out. That's where you can do it in settings, okay? So now that we've looked through the settings, we're going to click on our icon again, our profile picture, and we're going to go back to our initial page.